Hi, have you ever noticed how speed can change the way we sound in English? Let's test it. Today, I am gonna say a sentence in different speeds and you'll see how the speeds can change the feeling. Let's get started. 1. If I had known it earlier, I wouldn't have made that mistake. Sounds serious, right? Like I really regret it. 2. If I had known it earlier, I wouldn't have made that mistake. Now it sounds more natural. Like I am not regretting, I'm just explaining. 3. If I had known it earlier, I wouldn't have made that mistake. This is how native speakers often say it in real conversations. So next time, don't just learn the words, play with the speed. Which one sounded best to you? Write in the comments. See you next Saturday.